To automatically reset photo resolution when you close the camera on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to make sure that the setting for the high picture resolution on the camera app is not set to be kept. To do so, open camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Scroll down the screen. Under general section, tap settings to keep. And then tap the blue on off switch next to high picture resolution until the switch turns gray to turn it off. To see how it works, tap the back key twice. While you are in the photo mode, change the photo resolution to the high resolution. You can either select 50 megapixel or 200 megapixel. As the example, we will select 50 megapixel. Now take a photo, close the camera, and then reopen the camera. As you can see, the camera app will automatically reset the photo resolution back to the default or to 12 megapixel after you close the camera. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.